Good morning, Manny fam. Welcome to another vlog. Today it's a rainy day, as you can see. So today is a good day because today me and my baby and my husband said, okay, never mind. We are going to Monkey Town. It's a place where my baby can play all day. Not really. He can play for 1 hour and we're excited to bring him there. Alright, so meanwhile my husband is working, but I went to get my baby this little bowl. Stop it. Stop it. Here. No, that's wrong. He's not a fan of Paw Patrol. He's not a fan of anything. But I like this for him. He's crying because I took the pen so out of his mouth. This is for his lunch and this is for his fruit bowl. And how cute is this? I got him this little drink bottle. Want some? So stop acting spoiled. Stop it. Take your ball and play some ball. What's there on the way your truck? You know you want it. So I'm gonna wait my husband to come home. Meanwhile, I'm gonna play some Sims because I'm a Sims fan. Like since my 17 years, I always play Sims. So I'm gonna play my Sims on the PlayStation, Sims 4. Wait till my husband comes and yeah. So it's been a few hours after this. So right now he's taking a nap. Thank God he's taking a nap now and not at the playground. So you have like 2 hours to sleep. Then we're gonna play. Yes, I needed to talk to y'all. I mean, it's been a lot going on, but a lot of positive things. We've officially moved in a bigger house, and I didn't have time to vlog at all. I was busy. I mean, busy with. So guys, we're back, and this little boy has no idea where he's going. Sad. Hey, baby. He just woke up, guys. So hubby's here. And we're on our way. Wow, so green. It's summer.
Aisati.
Doe maar om.
Aisati.
Doe maar om. Ja, goed zo. Goed zo.
Yes.
Good job.
Thank you, baby.
So we're inside and it is paradise. Here.
Lijkt me best moeilijk.
Huh? You're not a bye, Papa. Come, baby, come. Come. Zet! Kijk eens. Uh-oh. Oh. Hey, niet vechten. Go. 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 Let's go. Yes, good job. This side. Go. Go. Oh. Go. You gotta go through it, baby. Come, let's go. Let's go together. Oh my God. This is so scary. This is so scary. Go. Oh my God. This is so scary. Oh. Oh. Ah. Yes. Good job. Go, 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 go. Ah. Go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. You're gonna slide. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Come with mommy. Come. 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 All right. Here goes nothing. Hold mommy tight. And 1, 2. He's so confused. Come. Trampolina, come here. Come. Set. Jump, 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 jump. Oh! Jump. Jump, 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 jump. Harder. Push. Push. Oh, I'm so tired. Whoa. Oh. Wow. We just got a friend. Toot toot. Oh my God, I'm gonna push him. He's gonna think he's driving. I cannot. I just can't. He's so excited. Beep beep. Ela querendo drive. So somebody had a blast.
Setty, baby. Set. Set.
Et non, il care. Bye. Bye bye. Mom is leaving.
Sayo, ma. Sayo, ma.
Bye bye, Seth. Oh, I thought so.
Ako rin net. Gusto sa pickpock.
Guys, we're back home and I am preparing some food for us. We're gonna eat some barbecue. Let me show you our grill. Use it a few times. It's a inside grill. And here you have the barbecue. I'm making some rice. So here I make some rice to eat with it, and also some mashed potato. It's already on the table. Ready to eat. Guys, once again, this was for my son's first birthday. He really hates hats, so he didn't have it on. Alright, so thanks for watching this vlog. Don't forget to share, comment, and like this video, and also turn your notification bell on, so when I post my vlog, you are the first one to get the notification to watch the vlogs. Alright, so yes, I think I'm back with my vlogs. I'm not sure for how long, but it's very nice to vlog. So thanks for watching, have a great day, and see you on the next vlog. Wendy fam, peace.